Complete fungus formation, and this is not safe. Old technique, remove it, wash it with soap and all of it. Yes, that's how you'll have to. Now is 99.9% hygiene, no odor, it's removed all the dust particles. And it smells so good. So that works out about 17 rupees to clean one helmet. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. Is your helmet hygienic? And if yes, comment below and tell me what do you do to keep your helmet hygienic. A lot of people haven't been riding off lately, and because of which your helmet interior part probably has got some fungus, bacterial formation, or one or the other problem. And in this video I'm going to talk about how to clean your helmet and make it hygienic helmet, get rid of oil stains, any kind of fungus formation, and also make it 99.99% hygiene. And for this I'm going to use a product from Vista Car Care, a helmet clean. So what difference about this particular product compared to any other product which is available in the market is this is a foam based solution vis-a-vis all the other ones are liquid based solution, and also this has a active silver formula. So I have different helmets. So this is my touring helmet, so I use this a lot when I tour. Then I have another helmet which is from Fast Track, which I used to use earlier, and then I have another helmet from Steelbird. And before we go ahead, I want to show you what has happened to my helmet by not using for the last couple of months. So let's show you that. So if you look at this helmet, if you look at the corner, the chin pad, and also the liner, there is fungus deposited which is grown over a period of time, and also it's not safe. It is definitely not hygiene to use such helmets, especially if you start planning to ride after the lockdown. So this is my regular office commute helmet, and you see here complete fungus formation, and this is not safe. So coming on to this helmet again. So this helmet has removable chin pads and the liner. So the old method used to be you remove all the liners, wash it, then dry it, and then fit it back and use it. So that is possible only for helmets where you can remove the liners, but these two helmets I am not able to remove the liners. So cleaning was one of the biggest problem, but with this it's all going to be easy, quick, and 99.99% bacteria free, because of the active silver technology what they have in this solution. And this is the foam base. So let's just tell you how to use it. So you would need a Vista Auto Care helmet cleaner and also their microfiber cloth. This can be again replaced, this cloth can be replaced with any other cloth that you have at home, but this definitely not, because there's no alternative for this unless you want to use any other solution. Or if your liners are removable, use the old technique, remove it, wash it with soap and all of it. At any point of time, if you like this video, consider to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get an update on every video I upload. And yeah, let's continue. So how to use this is very easy and simple. So shake the bottle well, and then once you've done that, I'm going to show you how to use this. Just it's a foam base, so you'll see. Just start spraying it in the interior part, and this has a very good fragrance once you spray this. Yes, that's how you'll have to spray the complete inside interior of your helmet and leave it for a while. So we will do for the rest of my helmets as well. Yes, moving on to my next helmet, which is this. Again, let's ensure this has been completely, yes, so that it's evenly spread. So normally the area of fungal formations are near your cheek pads and also to the lock pads. So here is where normally you will see the formation of fungus. So just again keep it aside for a while, and moving on to my next helmet. So now on this, so let's start it from here. So normally you will find a lot of dust formation, and then the natural oil which is there on your head. So the natural oils also will create a lot of stain on your helmet. I know a lot of people say I might use balaclava when I'm using my helmet, all of it, but still there is a certain amount of oil stains, dust, everything forming in your helmet. And this is one of the most easiest way I've found so far to clean your helmet, because all you need to do is shake the bottle, spread the foam across your interior, and after some time, once it is just dried, probably a couple of minutes, wipe it, and that's it, it's clean. And the best part is you can use it immediately. It might be a little wet, but then you can use the helmet immediately without wasting time. Otherwise you'll have to remove your interior foam, the liner, the cheek foams, wash it, dry it, keep it for a day probably, and if it's raining, probably for weeks. And let's start from my first helmet. And you see this has reduced, so that is completely absorbed inside your helmet. And just wipe it with this, and I'll show you the result once you wipe it. What is the result? So all the places where there was fungus formation, very important to wipe them. So you see here all the stains, it's already removed. See the stains here, and you see all that dirt cleaned from this helmet, and this is ready to go now. It's a little wet because the foam is absorbed and it's cleaned the entire interior of your helmet, but then this now is 99.9% hygiene, no odor. It's removed all the dust particle and also the oil stain, and you're ready to go. So let's just clean the rest of them as well quickly. Use the cloth, very simple, wipe it, because normally you sweat, and this portion and also the interior part of your helmet has a lot of sweatiness and also has a lot of dust formation, and it's definitely not hygiene. So it's definitely not recommended to use such helmet. And it smells so good. The citric perfume after the use of this spray is so nice. And let me move on to my last helmet. So you see here in this helmet also you can see a lot of stains around the helmet, and also in the center of the helmet there's a lot of dirt, and it's over a period of time. And I haven't used these helmets for at least a month and a half, two now. From the time lockdown has started, I haven't used them. Quickly wipe them. And a lot of helmet will have cushion here as well, so you have to clean this portion as well. And in this helmet I cannot remove the foams. The helmet is completely clean from the interior part, so all the fungus deposits and all the bacteria has been killed now by just using this one product, which is called Helmet Clean by Vista Auto Care. And all you needed to use was this. So this let me tell you, so it is priced at 170 rupees. You can use it at least for 10 times. So 10 times you can clean your helmet, or 10 different helmets can be cleaned. So that works out about 17 rupees to clean one helmet. I think it's a throwaway pricing, and everybody must use one of these which is foam based. And you saw how easy it was to use. You just had to spray, the foam spreads across and ensures the entire interior part of your helmet is completely clean. Super hygiene, 99.9% hygiene. Does not stink anymore, there's no odor. It's cleaned all the dust and oil stains and any kind of bacterial infections. That's it for now. I'm gonna say bye for now. Stay at home, stay safe. Please make sure your helmet is hygiene, and until the next video I'm gonna say bye.